To trim onion seedlings or not to trim? That is the question.
Yes, that's my opinion. Why? Join me today as I trim my onion seedlings and we'll discuss it together. Welcome to True Freedom Permaculture, where I show you all the tips and tricks you need to have a green thumb, even if you weren't born with one. Those of you with long hair know when it's time for a haircut. The ends of your hair start getting kind of tangly and they feel kind of dead. Well, onion seedlings are no different. These are actually scallion seedlings, and you can tell that they're starting to look a little sad. They are kind of floppy and they've just kind of gotten overgrown. So today we're going to give them a trim. Now there are a couple reasons why your scallion seedlings will benefit from getting a trim every now and then, and I'm going to go over those shortly, but let's get started trimming our scallion seedlings.
How short do we want to trim them? Trimming them down to approximately 2 to 3 inches in height keeps them manageable. And why yes, my onions are in a dishwasher tap container, in case you're wondering. If you'd like to see more ideas for reusing plastic containers for seed starting, you can check out this video. Let's talk about the reasons why you should consider trimming your onion seedlings. First, trimming your onion seedlings will encourage them to grow stronger, and you should see your seedlings thicken as a result. This also forces energy to the roots. We are looking to encourage bulb growth, which is generally the reason why we grow them. Second, it increases air circulation. If they get too long and weepy, you're not going to be able to get a lot of air around your onion seedlings, which makes them more susceptible to disease. Finally, when it comes time to transplant them, if they're all tangled up, it's going to be much more difficult to separate them. And by pulling them apart, you risk damaging the delicate seedlings at this point. Don't forget to save those trimmings from your onion seedlings. They have a nice oniony flavor and you can use them anywhere that you would use chives. So they make a fantastic garnish or they're wonderful in omelets. And we're all done. So here's what my seedlings looked like about a week later. And I did have to give them one more trim because they were growing so vigorously during this past week. But I do think that they are looking stronger, they're standing taller, they just look healthier. So I'm really pleased with how everything's turned out. As for the fate of my onion trimmings, well, they went on some deviled eggs.
Now my scallion seedlings are all trimmed and I can't wait to watch them grow stronger. Another crop that really packs a punch of flavor, like onions, is horseradish. I think that it's really underutilized and there's a lot of really great benefits and uses for horseradish. If you're interested in discovering those with me, click on this video coming up and I will see you over there.